Hello, my name is David and today I will be talking you through the setup of a Wheel Drydeck 20 unit. For the purpose of this demonstration we will be setting the unit up in the Wheel Lab. The three main components of the system are the pump, the control box, and finally the Venturi sensors, one on the hot and one on the cold feeds going to the shower. It is essential that all of these components are installed in accessible locations should they need to be accessed at a future date. It is important to install the pump with the head facing down. Mount the pump on a solid wall or off a bracket on the floor. Vibration on a stud wall will cause noise. Depending on the installation, the pump head can be rotated simply by loosening this screw, rotating the pump head and retightening this screw again. It is important that the flow of water goes in the direction of this arrow found on the head of the pump. Either side of the pump we have 22mm pipework connected to the pump using push-fit style fittings for ease of access. On the inlet side of the pump can pull a maximum of 2 meters from the gully on the horizontal and lift half a meters vertical. On the outlet side, the pump can pump another 1 meter in height. Formed bends must be used throughout the pipework and the pipework needs to be secured in place. The use of this surge damper is to reduce potential for water hammer in the pipework. To ensure that the system operates as designed, there must be an adequate fall in the tray or wet floor with a minimum of a 1 in 40 fall to the gully. Here we have the Wheel Drydeck 20 control box. To access the control panel we need to unscrew the 4 screws with a flathead screwdriver and the front panel lifts off. The third and final part of the system are the Venturi flow sensors. These sensors are fitted to the hot and cold feeds going to the shower. They do not require filters, however what they do require is an earth clamp on each sensor. If you are using copper pipework, the earth clamps can be mounted to the pipework as can be seen here. However, if you are using plastic pipework, you can mount the earth clamp to the brass fittings on each sensor. The earth wire then runs to the earth clamp inside the control box and is connected using a crimp as can be seen here. When fitting the Venturi sensors, the signal wire must be no more than 5 meters long. The sensor cable must not run along any mains wiring and the sensor cable runs are to be kept as straight as possible, avoiding cable crossover as can be seen here. This is the internals of the control box. Here we can see where the Venturi sensors are wired into the control box. Each Venturi sensor has 4 wires, a yellow wire which is unused, a brown wire, a green wire and a white wire. Please ensure that these are wired into the box according to the diagram shown.